What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test emergency fire kit by Zippo. You know Zippo lighters are awesome, so let's see what this thing is all about. Look at that, that's kind of cool. Put it to the stick, I like that. Okay, let's grab that and pull everything out. So unspin that, looks like you place the sparker right here. It points you the direction you're supposed to strike it. Quite decent strike over here, nice. And I would keep this inside of the rooster. I would keep inside of this plastic bag to just keep it a little bit extra waterproof. But let's try to dump it in the water and we'll see if this thing will light up after it. But first of all, I kind of want to put it to the test like they did it on a stick. So grab a stick, pretty good, decent size, push it through. I guess I'll put it all the way to this thicker side. Nice, so that way it's not gonna fall off. Break off this end, beautiful. Okay, let's see if it's gonna strike pretty easily. So what you gotta do, not just strike it a piece like that. You grab yourself a knife and just fluff it up. It's like a little cotton, or you can even fluff it up on a rock, on asphalt, whatever. Look how well it flattens out on a rock. That rooster will be in a bug around today, guys. Okay, and let's strike it. There you go. Couple of strikes, we got it going. You know, I like that a lot. This is definitely looks cool. Is it burning? There you go. Now the stick is on fire. Beautiful. That's a good idea. Now you can put it to the sticks whenever you build the fire pit and light few sides on fire. That's kind of cool. Okay, now let's put it to the test of waterproof test, and looks like burn time is gonna be a while. Couple of minutes for sure. Okay, waterproof test. They float, nice. Seems like repelling in the water. Okay, close this. I think the only way it's waterproof, you want to keep it locked all the way. By the way, burn time is pretty good. It's been a couple of minutes already. Okay, it's floating, nice. This thing is floating too. It's been submerged. I'm gonna take this out, shake it off. Plenty of spark, even though my hands are pretty moist. So next, this moist right here, what I'm gonna do is fluff it up. I'll take this stick. Hopefully it didn't get saturated inside there. I'll really pull it up. Hugo, no. You know what? It's actually something inside there for sure. Some kind of wax or something. Gus, no. So it's highly saturated with something for sure. So look how much it fluffed up. Then again, we're going to put it on a stick. Then I'm gonna grab my striker and see what happens. Wow, instantly. So that was a good idea, getting it fluffed up way more. You hear that moisture burning off anyways, so no problem. It is highly waterproof fire starter as well, especially when you peel off the top layer. It protects it, and it's cool that it's floating. Finally the other burning off, but it's pretty good coal over there too, but it's still burning a little. So it will burn longer if you don't unroll it as much, but if you want a bigger flame instantly, you can unroll it more, it'll flame better. But yeah, super cool fire starter for sure by Zippo.